Structured cabling is a core component of every high-performance network. Outdated hardware and slow, overloaded connections could be costing your business time, money, and customers. At Leverage, our experienced certified technicians will design a custom system especially for your complex infrastructure needs, and our professional installation ensures a seamless transition from the past to the future. The upgraded performance of a customized voice, video, and data cabling system is exactly what your business needs to stay competitive in an increasingly digital environment. Our structured cabling solutions include readiness assessments, fiber optic installation, antenna systems for wireless applications, video surveillance and security systems, and much, much more. Now is the time to upgrade your network, and Leverage is the solution.